Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson, and in this lesson I'll be teaching you how to solve equations like this. So we are having three samples here, so we'll start with number 1. To solve an equation like this, first you have to open up your brackets. You have to solve the ones inside your bracket first. So this will be equal to 2 over 3 times the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8 over 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Divide by 3 over 4. 2 this over 3 times 6 minus 1 will give us 5 over 8. Divide by 3 over 4. We are going to change our division to multiplication sign, which will be equal to 2 over 3 times 5 over 8 times 4 over 3. Changing this division sign to a multiplication sign, this will turn over to the up and this will come to the down. That's why we have 4 over 3. So now you can cancel. You can start cancelling the numbers that can cancel each other. 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. So we have 1 times 5 times 1. 1 times 5 times 1 will give us 5 over 3 times 1 is 3 times 3 will give us 9. Therefore our answer is 5 over 9. So we have number 2. We have 1 whole number 8 over 9 divided by this in brackets multiplied by 3 over 17. So as I said before, you first of all solve the ones in your bracket to open them. So this will be equal to our mixed fraction here. We have to convert it to an improper fraction. So this will be equal to 9 times 1 is 9 plus 8 is 17. This will be equal to 17 over 9 divided by 3 over 7. We'll change this off to times 14 over 15 minus 2 over 10 times 3 over 17. So now if you look at this, you can see that this where you have multiplication, you can divide, you can cancel. 7 cancel 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 3 cancel 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So what you have next is 17 over 9 divided by 1 times 2 will give us 2 over 1 times 5 will give us 5 minus 2 over 10. Are you seeing it? We have 1 times 2 which is 2. 1 times 5 which is 5 minus this 2 over 10. You close the bracket times 3 over 17. Now after cancelling here, we have this. So what we have to do now is to check for the LCM of 5 and 10 so that we can open up this bracket. So this will be equal to 17 over 9 divided by the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus, because we have minus here, 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Then you bring your times 3 over 17. So now this will be equal to 17 over 9 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2 over 10 times 3 over 17. So we have 17 over 9 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2 over 10 times 3 over 17. So now we have to remove this division sign. This will now be equal to 17 over 9 times 10 over 2. Whenever you are changing your division sign to multiplication sign, this fraction will change upside down. This one will go up and this 2 will come down. So that's what we have here, times 3 over 17. Now we have to cancel. look at the number closely and cancel the ones that can divide each other. 17 will cancel 17. 3 divided by 3 will 1. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. Are you seeing? So we have 1 times 5 times 1. 1 times 5 times 1 will give us 1 over 3 times 1 will give us 3. We have 5 over 3. If you want to change this to a mixed fraction, this will be equal to 1 whole number 2 over 3. And that's our answer. And finally, we have this in brackets multiplied by this in brackets divided by 1 whole number 5 over 9. So I told you we have to open our brackets. Now this one will be equal to, we have to change this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. And to do that, this will be equal to 5 times 12 is 60. 60 plus 3 is 63 over 5. Divide by 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9 over 5. Times 1 over 8. We change this off to multiplication. Convert this to an improper fraction. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8 over 7. Divide by, we also change this. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 5 is 14 over 9. As you can see, we still have them in brackets. And to divide this, we have to change this division sign to multiplication sign. This will be equal to 63 over 5 times 5 over 9. We have converted the division to multiplication times. If you check this now, you see that 8 can cancel 8. So what we have is 1 over 7 times 1 over 7. We change the division to times. It will now turn to 9 over 14. So now looking at this one, we can see that 5 can cancel 5. And also, 9 divided by 9 is 1. 9 divided by 63, 7. So what you have is 7 over 1 times 1 over 7 times 9 over 14. Here we can also cancel 7, cancel 7. So we have 1 times 9 is equals to 9. 1 times 14 is equals to 14. Therefore our answer is equal to 9 over 14. I hope you understand this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next class.